What I've got here are a couple really neat knives. This, I believe, is from AKC. It's a little over 11 inches. I've got over, I would say, over 100 switchblades. This is a swing guard with the dagger blade. A really nice little piece. Good spring, nice tight action, good safety. Then I've got a very nice wooden grip swing guard. These are great knives. They're on kind of the low end of the quality spectrum as far as I'm concerned. I'm more into the custom switchblades. I've got a couple. This one's a real nice one. It's a Lightfoot LCC by Microtech, and it's got carbon fiber grips. It's got a belt clip on the back. I've got two of these. What's cool about this is to open it, there's no visible buttons. To open it, comes out like that. You push down on the bolster. Microtech makes some of the finest knives available. This one has a serial number on it. It's probably not showing up very well. A beautiful piece. This one is brand new and in the box. I've never used it. It comes with a holster, by the way. And it also comes with a lifetime warranty card from Microtech. A small thing to carry it with, I guess. Operator's instructions. Tells you how to open it. And get this bad boy out. Guy does beautiful work. It's got a Velcro closure on it. These things are very sharp. This one has a serrated edge to it. And believe me, I tell you, if you touch that blade, you will bleed. Anyway, I just thought you might like to see that. That's just a couple of the knives I've got. Like I said, I've got tons of switchblades. And take it easy.